The PowerUp Instructional Model ensures that students receive the support they need when accessing the online activities. Demonstrating proficiency with a skill at the standard step allows students to move on in the programme and beyond with offline extension activities. However, if the students struggle, the programme will branch to instruction mode, allowing the students to focus on the area that they are struggling with targeted videos and practice activities. If the students continue to make errors, myLexia provides fully scripted Lexia lesson plans to support teachers in addressing the students' needs. If a student struggles repeatedly on the online programme, they will be listed in the Needs Instruction tab, found in the Class Overview Action Plan. This lists all of the students currently struggling in the programme, along with the fully scripted Lexia lesson plan addressing that student's individual needs. These can be downloaded and shared among staff and include all the planning and resources needed to deliver the session. The Delivered button ensures that you are always up to date and students are grouped according to activity to allow you to complete lessons in small groups. Keep in mind that Lexia lessons may not always be needed as the student gets direct teaching and practice from the online programme. Individual student data can help get further information about a student's performance to help you decide when to step in with a Lexia lesson plan. Click on the student's name and access the skills report from the top right of the student overview. This report details each unit they are currently working on in each of the 3 strands, along with the accuracy and the rate at which they are working. For further detail, click on the name of the level to see each unit, any common errors that occurred during the activity, and the number of times they branched to instruction. If you see 3 or 4 attempts in a row, this is no cause for concern, but you may wish to check in with the student over the shoulder during their next Lexia session. If you see 10 or more attempts in a row, this may be an indication that there is a gap in the student's knowledge. At this point, you may wish to take the student to one side and deliver the Lexia lesson.